Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Terra Luna Classic. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what really is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Of course, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as of June 18th, 2023, you guys can see we still have about 4 zeros in front of the price. Right now we're currently sitting at 8898. We're down about 2.1% over the last 24 hours in USD and Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at its market cap, on the other hand, once again, we're seeing the market cap really hold above the $500 million mark, which is a great thing to see. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $30.5 million. So now comes the question, is it most likely that, we do see the price of Terra Luna Classic go below that $500 million market cap or no? And I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys on that. So for bringing out the chart for you guys, of course, on the hourly time frame, on the daily time frame, we can't really see as to what really is happening besides just some few candles here and there. So, we're going to pull out the hourly time frame and really see what exactly is happening right now. So, as a matter of fact, as of June 18th, 2023, we have seen the price of Terra Luna Classic break below this level of support, which I said in my yesterday's video that I do not want to see the price go below this mark. And right now, what you can see also on the hourly time frame, what's really happening is that, we have seen the price of Terra Luna Classic try to get back above that level of resistance, but we're seeing a few rejections. We've been trying to get above it for 2 to 3 different times, and all those 3 times we've been rejected. But also we did see the price of Terra Luna Classic drop all the way down to this 85 cents mark, and I think this was, of course, something to do with a manipulation. Of course, dominance is still quite high, so manipulation can really cause a massive bloodbath across the board, and you guys can see this for yourself. We saw the price of Terra Luna Classic drop about 5% just over the past few hours, and we've seen a pretty good pullback. Not a pullback. Pretty good buyback since then, but right now we're below this level of resistance. What we want to see the price of Terra Luna Classic do is actually stay above that level of resistance. That's where I want the price to be really at, because last time we saw the price below this level of resistance was back on June 13th, before we did see that massive recovery after that massive bloodbath that we've seen. So it's really, really important. Is this a time to worry? Absolutely not. We've been here before. You guys can see this for yourself. We've seen the price of, back on June 12th when it dipped down. We saw a pump of about 21%. So that is not the issue. The fact that we're below it, that's just one thing I need to keep reminding you guys. We want to see the price of Terra Luna Classic reclaim above that level of resistance. If we're looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, Bitcoin has been holding quite well around this $26,400 mark. But remember, we're in a weekend right now, guys, and on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board. CME futures are closed, so tomorrow is really going to be a really, really important day to see how Bitcoin reacts and whether or not there's some news that's coming around that could affect the crypto space. Let's see how the stock market opens up, because if the stock market opens up positively, I can't even speak right now. Whenever I am excited, if you guys are aware, I tend to, butcher some words. So my apologies on that. So if the stock market does, open on a positive note tomorrow, I do believe that Bitcoin should see a correlation come as well. So it's going to be really, really important to see how that goes. And also, of course, BlackRock has, filed for, what's it called? See, it's on the tip of my tongue. an ETF, a Bitcoin ETF, and we might hear some more news come about that. So it's going to be really, really interesting as to how this week plays out. But as far as Terra Luna Classic is concerned, I'm really impressed at the fact that this project has really showed us its strength over the past few days, especially during the fact that there's so much uncertainty still in the markets. We've been seeing manipulation left and right, whales shaking out the weak hands, longs are being liquidated, shorts are being liquidated. There's so much news that's affecting the crypto space, and dominance is sky high. But despite all these factors, we've seen the price of Terra Luna Classic really hold above that $500 million mark, and that is something I really like seeing. And yesterday in my update, I was talking to my viewers. Of course, whenever I'm chatting to you guys about in this video, it's like a conversation that I'm having with my viewers. And I heard a lot of people come in the comment section and they were like, hey, Crypto ZX, we love your take. You are bringing out a pretty good point, and I really like hearing that from you guys, because at the end of the day, I'm sharing my personal opinion with you guys, and this is where you guys can come and communicate that with me too, and what's your personal take on this entire situation. And I've had some people come out and tell me that, hey, Crypto ZX, we're thinking about the same thing, that, CZ probably has something to do with Terra Luna Classic revival, because let's think about it, guys. A project that had so much FUD and, that literally collapsed, the easiest way for you would be is to just leave it, right? Abandon it. Just leave it, delist it off your exchange. But what we're seeing CZ Binance do is that he came out and started supporting this revival. So that really begs the question, what really is next for Terra Luna Classic? Does he really have something planned now? And I'm thinking, the most shocking thing that we could ever imagine is if he were to remove all these stable coins off of his exchange and just keep two, which is of course his BUSD, a stable coin, and also USTC. If he were to do that, I think the entire crypto space will be shocked. And there is a high potential USTC can go back to $1. Maybe that's what he has in plan. Maybe he has some other things in plan. Maybe he has no plan. At the end of the day, we're just speculating. We're really going to see how things play out. But right now, we have seen a little bit of a retracement in the price of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin did go almost to 27K. So of course, we're seeing a little retracement. That's also something that we do need to keep into consideration when we are analyzing the charts for Terra Luna Classic. But nonetheless, my entire analysis and my entire target remains the same, which is still around this level. And only way we can get back to that level is if we retest that June 5th high and actually break above there. Then I would be convinced that the price is heading back to that level of resistance. But we will take it one step at a time. But this is where I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal price projections, and what do you think is going to happen with the price of Terra Luna Classic? And let me know down below in the comment section. Also, let me know if you guys want to continue seeing daily updates. And that's all for today's update. Thank you so much for all your support. Love you. I'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.